Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to discuss about soil erosion and erosion control. This is the revision class of class 10. Soil erosion. During heavy rainfall, look at the soil. You can see that when larger droplets fall on the soil, smaller holes are formed in the soil and water becomes turbid. The mud mix water flows downward. Thus, soil erosion occurs with mud mix water during rainfall. Again, look at the stormy air or cyclone. You can observe that soil particles are swept away with wind from one location to other. These soil particles will hit your eyes and face if you are outside. Now, probably you can say that transportation of surface soil due to various reasons is called soil erosion. By the process of soil erosion, eroded soil is deposited on the lowest slope. The main causes of soil erosion are rainfall, cyclone, river flow, cultivation by deforestation, cultivation on hilly slopes, etc. Due to continuous rainfall, soil lost its water holding capacity and then the excess water carries away some surface soil particles towards the lower slope. By the current of water, surface soil becomes loose and moves to be deposited on the lower slope. Similarly, wind brings away the soil from the cultivated land in the form of dust. River flow breaks the bank of river and brings away the soil and creates chor region. When men clear the forest to cultivate crops, the land becomes open. Again, livestock also graze. Thus, soil erosion occurs. Similarly, by clearing hilly forest, crops are cultivated on hilly slopes. By the current of rainwater, surface soil falls on the valley. Types of soil erosion. There are two types of soil erosion: natural soil erosion by man. These are described below. Natural soil erosion. Nature exerts a strong influence on soil erosion. This type of erosion has started from the beginning of earth. Sometimes a strip of sand land or chor rises out of a river bed due to natural soil erosion. Many areas of the world become fertile and many become unfertile in consequence of this type of erosion. Naturally, soil erosion occurs continuously, but we cannot realize it. Wind and rainfall are the principal reasons among the natural ones. These factors bring soil particles from one location to another towards the direction of their flow. Probably for that reason, this type of soil erosion is called usual soil erosion. Natural soil erosion is also considered as the part of soil formation process. There is a balance between soil formation and soil erosion, but agricultural activities fall into a hazardous condition due to continued soil erosion. Classification of soil erosion. Soil erosion mainly divided into two classes. These are soil erosion due to rainfall and soil erosion due to wind. Soil erosion due to rainfall. Large scale soil erosion occurs in Bangladesh due to rainfall. This soil erosion may be divided into following classes. Number 1, sheet erosion. Number 2, rill erosion. Number 3, channel erosion. Number 4, river bank erosion. Sheet erosion. When rain or irrigation water flows on the soil surface from the higher slope to lower slope, the upper soft and fertile soil particle is cut and moves away in the form of thin sheet. This is called sheet erosion. Soil erosion due to rainfall is not visible, but after several years, it is realized that soil fertility has decreased. The cause of decreasing this fertility is not but sheet erosion. Soil erosion, rill erosion. Rill soil erosion is the second step of sheet erosion. Due to heavy rainfall, several long narrow lines are formed along the slope which looks like hand ribs. The narrow lines eventually become larger in length and width. By the flow of rainwater, fertile soil is removed from the land. Thus, the land loses its fertility and it becomes problematic for the farmers to use implements. Channel erosion. This erosion is the third step of sheet erosion. Rill erosion is the source of channel erosion. The small channels produced in rill erosion are increased in length and width due to longer duration. Therefore, the crop soils go under more erosion. After a certain period, these channels look like drains or small rivers. The more the rainfall is, more the channel erosion occurs. This type of soil erosion is found in hilly region of Bangladesh. River bank erosion. A remarkable cause of soil erosion in Bangladesh is river bank erosion. Every year, hundreds of hectares of land go under river in Chatpur, Shirazganj, Goalando, etc. regions. At the beginning or the last of the rainy season, there creates a heavy current in rivers, and consequently the agricultural lands on the bank of river go underwater. Wind erosion. The soil transportation caused by strong current of air from one place to another is called wind erosion. The wind erosion is higher where there is plain land, comparatively lower vegetables and lower rainfall. Sandy and sandy loam soils are loose and light. Therefore, this soil easily fly away if there is speedy airflow. Again, the soil in which organic matter content is very low, air erosion is more. The fertile region of desert become unfertile due to sand deposition on that land by airflow. In the northern regions of Bangladesh, like Dinajpur, Rajshahi region, a small amount of air erosion is noticed in the month of Chaitra and Boishakh. Thus, due to air flow, fertility of arable lands gets reduced. Soil erosion by men. Men need food to survive. From the beginning of agriculture, men are using soil injudiciously to produce food. Tillage, irrigation, drainage, etc. are the main components of agricultural activities. Soil is continuously disturbed by these activities, thus, lands are exposed to the natural forces like rainfall, wind, etc., and get eroded. The more the soil is used, the more soil erosion occurs. Uncovered land are being attacked by the rainfall, wind, and flood. Soil becomes loose due to zoom or step cultivation in the hilly areas. Hill breaking occurs due to heavy rainfall and thus causes land erosion. This also becomes dangerous for human life and their properties. Besides, during grazing of livestock and the movement on the field path, the particles of soil fly away in the form of dust. Demerits of soil erosion. The demerits of soil erosion are as follows. The nutrient enriched surface soil is moved away. Thus, soil fertility is lowered considerably. Soil erosion makes soil deficit in plant nutrients. Consequently, it hampers crop growth. Continuous soil erosion fills up the river canal, Haor, Bill, etc. For that reason, flood inundates the country, thus it damages crops, birds, households, etc. A vast amount of eroded soil is deposited in river. Thus, it decreases the depth of river and creates problem in navigation. There is a proverb that erosion of fertile soil means the erosion of civilization. Causes of soil erosion. Soil erosion is caused by several reasons. From the above description of soil erosion, the causes of erosion can also be realized. The causes of soil erosion are cited below. 1. Rainfall. Number one cause is rainfall. Though rainfall is good for cultivation, it causes soil erosion. The intensity, number and amount of rainfall affect the soil erosion. If there is heavy rainfall, the rain droplets become larger and hit the soil with high pressure and it loses the soil particles. When the soil loses its water absorption capacity, the excess water creates a flow and moves from higher slope to the lower slope. During water movement, the loose and soft soil is transported with water. The higher the speed of water flow and the higher will be the soil erosion. Land slope. In the sloper soil, water moves with high speed towards the lower slope. For that reason, the soil erosion is higher in hilly areas compared to plain land. Generally, Jhum cultivation practiced in Bandarbans, Khagachari and Rangamati areas in Bangladesh. Consequently, soil becomes loose in Jhum cultivation areas and this soil moves towards the lower hilly slope with rainwater if there is rainfall. Within few years, the Jhum cultivation area becomes unfertile. Nature of soil. Soil erosion depends on soil structure, texture and the presence of organic matter. The sandy loam soil can easily absorb the rainwater due to its higher porosity. For that reason, erosion of this soil is lower, but the porosity of clay and heavy soil is lower and thereby its water absorption capacity is also lower. For that reason, a little rainfall causes soil erosion, moving soil surface towards the lower slope. Method of cultivation and nature of crops. If the cultivation is practiced along the slope, avoiding across the slope in hilly areas, the soil is eroded due to rainfall. Airflow. The region where there is low vegetation, soil erosion occurs by air. Human activities. Human beings themselves are actual cause of soil erosion. To balance food for hunger, men started clearing forest. Thus, soil surface becomes open and causes soil erosion. Effective ways and means to control soil erosion. Lowering the speed of water flow. It is important to decrease the speed of water flow by controlling soil erosion. A strong current of water flow can be decreased by several ways, such as setting up a ridge of earth around the cultivable field. The soil of the field gets time to absorb water and thereby soil erosion can be prevented. If the small channel created by real erosion are filled up and leveled, water flow will be decreased and will be controlled soil erosion. Allowing growing of weeds in the larger drain and inserting sticks and placing net with the stick at the end of drain, water flow can be decreased. Moreover, by dumping bits of dry grass, straw, and leaves at the foot of the wire netting, the current of water can be slowed down and thus erosion of soil can be prevented. Facilitating well drainage. If water becomes stagnant in land, rainwater adding with the stagnant water increase the water flow and thereby soil from the land become loose and moves away, therefore dividing the land into several pieces and removing excess water separately from each piece. Soil erosion can be controlled. Increasing organic matter content in soil. Granulation of soil becomes good if adequate amount of organic matter is applied in soil. Crop cultivation on the steps of hill. Because of zoom cultivation, crops are cultivated on the lines created across the slope of the hill. Since the crop are cultivated across the slope, the speed of the rainwater flow becomes slower, and thus type of cultivation does not erode soil of the hill. Cultivation in the contours. Cultivation of crops directly across the slope of the hills is known as contours method. This method slows down the seed of rainwater and saves soil erosion. Thanks for watching this video.